Okay, after login to our application, there is a most important step, that is one time process. No need to do again and again. When you want to do changes in your profile, then you need to do, otherwise no need to do. So the first is the profile setting. When you come here, you need to do the profile setting, select the profile, add your company domain. So this is very important. It will ignore your company application when you add this domain. You can add your mobile number, experience. You can select the this is the job match score. So actually we are comparing with the your resume with the job description. So if you select the 100%, it is comparing like 100%. If you select the 50%, sometime we will miss or add the some skills in our resume. Yeah, at that time the 50% will work better. Okay, so here you can add the PDF format resume. You can select the multiple locations here and click on the update profile. Now go to the dashboard. In the dashboard you need to go to the email setting. So you need to add the sender email address here. So this is the email address from which you want to apply for the job. So you need to add that email address. Don't add my email address there. Okay, so here app password, we have provided the step how can we create the app password. First go to on this link and enable the two-step verification if it is not enabled. If it is enabled, you can search for the app password and directly add their job automation name and click on the create password. You will be able to see the 16-digit password. I will try to show you. Now here I'm navigating to the company website. Here you need to select the correct email address which you have added in the sender and log into that particular account. Okay, now click on the continue and you can put here job automation or any name you can put here. I am adding here and click on the create. Now you are able to see this is the password. This is the app password. We required it. Don't add my password. You need to create your own password, so it will apply from your email address. Okay, so this password you can copy and paste here, and after that you can add the email subject. If you are not adding, our system will take care. There are many random email subject will get created. Also we have the three template. The system will easily pick up those template and apply for the jobs. But if you want to create your own template, so you need to create in the HTML format. If you check, I have added here in HTML format. So first create your template in a text format. This template means you are adding the email body to the recruiters. So this email body you can create in the ChatGPT or any other tool easily. Convert into the HTML format, add that HTML code here and simply click on the save button. So I already saved it, so I'm not saving it. Okay, click on the save and simply click on the test email. So it will attach your resume and the email body all to your resume and to the email, and it will get sent to the recruiter. Okay, now the test email gets successfully sent. Now I am going to my email address and checking there the email is received or not. So if you check, this is email is received. So I have not added their email subject, but it a system automatically pick up and it is added here. And this is the template which is I have created customized templates. You can add there, and my resume also get attached here. This process we need to do before starting the automation. Once automation started, you need to go back here and enable this auto apply. It will take care of your applications and daily basis. It will apply as per your profile location which you have selected and how much daily limit, that will check and apply for the jobs. So if you have any question, you can ping us on the WhatsApp number. We have provided all the details, WhatsApp details in our application. So all details are there. You can check here. Need to check like WhatsApp contact is provided here. Here also we have the contact. You can contact us if you face any problem. Thank you.